Example 2. Let f of x equal x to the fourth power minus 2x squared. Find all values of c in the interval from -2 to 2 such that f prime of c equals 0. So first of all, we know we have conditions for Rolle's theorem. The first condition f has to be continuous on the closed interval. From a to b. So let's see if we have that. So we have our function f. Find all values of c in the open interval, okay, such that f prime of c equals 0. Okay, so we know the domain of f. The domain of f is all reals. We just want to know where the derivative of f of c equals 0 on the open interval from -2 to 2. So we do know that f is continuous from -2 to 2. So it meets that criteria. The next criteria, f must be differentiable on the open interval -2 to 2. And this function here, it's differentiable everywhere. So it meets that criteria as well. The next condition, you need to have f of a must equal f of b, where it would be f of -2 must be equal to f of 2. So let's check that out. F of -2 would be -2 times -2 times -2 times -2. That's going to be 16 minus 2 times -2 times -2, which would be 4. This is going to be 16 minus 8, which would be 8. Now let's try f of 2. F of 2, 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 is 16, minus 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. That's also going to be 8, so this checks. Now we know Rolle's theorem applies, so now we can take the derivative of f, and I'm going to say this is f of c, which would be equal to 4x to the third minus 4c to the third minus 4c. Here you can factor out 4c, giving me c squared minus 1, which would be 4c times c minus 1, c plus 1. So when does f prime of c equal 0? So we would take 4c times c minus 1 times c plus 1. And this would be true when c equals 0, when c equals 1, and when c equals -1. And those all fit between here, so we are good. So that would be your answer.